former plant killer here, Jesse, or maybe I should say current plant killer of Living on a Prayer flower farm, because guys, it's hard to change my ways as a plant killer, but I'm working on it. I may have accidentally killed my ranunculus and some other plants, and I knew better. I knew better. I'm so angry with myself right now because I did know better, and I didn't listen, and I should have listened. So now I'm paying the price. This plant killer confession is actually going to be costing me money because now I have to buy more ranunculus. Luckily, it's not too late in the season to still get them, and I'm making different plans to get that fixed up. So I knew better. I knew better on the ranunculus. I was told in videos, several things said, unless you live in a mild winter place, unless you have a mild winter, you really need a frost cloth to protect your ranunculus. And I didn't listen. I thought, our winters are mild enough here. It'll be fine. And then the first frost hit. And yeah, between the deer eating them and the frost killing the rest, I no longer have ranunculus. And it really sucks. So I'm gonna have to buy more ranunculus. And from this mistake, I'm buying the frost cloth. I'm telling you now, if you don't have a frost cloth, get a frost cloth. Get it. So here are my freesia. They are all dead. Dead. I did not realize that I needed to cover them. When they came in a mix with my daffodils, so I thought they would be okay. But they are not okay. They are dead. Dead, 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 dead. So here we go again. I will not be ordering these because they did come with a mix. I'm not going to order more. But it stinks that I lost plants. And my ranunculus. My ranunculus. Alright. So if they're not dead, which I think I've got a few that are alive, but I'm not sure how many. The deer ate them. The dang deer ate them. Can you see that? Look, they're missing their tops. Thank you, deer. I love woodland creatures, except for when they eat my plants. So, for right now, to stop the deer from eating them, I had a bar of soap out here. I don't know what happened to my bar of soap. My bar of soap has disappeared. I had a box of Irish Spring soap to have humans sent out here to help, detour the deer. But my ranunculus, they're not looking too hot, thanks to the frost. And then from being eaten. So this is a big fail. So there we have it. Current plant killer here. Wish it was former, but I'm still killing plants. And you know what? I knew better. All the YouTubers, Fresh Cut Kentucky, even the Ferret book said cover them unless you have a mild winter. Which, FYI, if you have a frost, apparently it's not a mild winter. So it cost me money. I'm now ordering the frost cloth. It'll be here Monday or Tuesday. I've got more ranunculus coming to put in the ground now. And you know what? That just means another video. A brand new one of how to plant ranunculus, a better video, as we'll go over the ranunculus corns, how to soak them, how to pre-sprout them, and most important part, putting them under a frost cloth. Don't do what I did. That frost cloth will protect them from the frost and from the deer. The dang deer that keep eating the tops of them. Ugh. I love woodland creatures, except when they eat my plants. They didn't eat my zinnias. I guess it's a deer-resistant plant. They didn't eat a lot of things that were in my garden, except my ranunculus, which are the most expensive things, and the one thing I really want to grow. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you have any tips, comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I found who ate the bar of soap. Gus! Why are you chewing the bar of soap? That cannot be good for you. I found the soap thief. It's my dog. I'll be Googling, will soap kill my pug? Are you happy, mister? Look at him. Thief. You're not coming in the house, sir. Don't you walk away from me. You will not be coming in the house because you're going to puke all that up probably. Pug. Couldn't believe it.